So you have just watched me randomly putting chains down onto my canvas, which I have very lightly coated with my Jazz Art Byron white paint. And I'm going to put colours over various parts of it. It's just going to be multicoloured patterns with chains today. And the colours that I'm going to be using are my phthalo blue, the Deco Art Glamour Dust Ice Crystal, metallic green, it's got a gold metallic base, regular gold or metallic gold, and metallic red. And I'm going to be putting those colours at different points around the chains and then pulling the chains off to make patterns. So I'll get started now. Well, that has come out beautiful. It's patterns in chains, as I intended to do, with all sorts of different lengths on there, and the colours that I showed you. And very, very happy with the fact that the colours are still quite defined. I can still see quite a bit of gold, green. I've got a good red patch there, but I did, as you saw, I added extra red to it as I was doing it. There is some lacing, kind of lacing coming through, but all in all, it's kind of patterns, abstract patterns, the sort of things that I really love, even with some of the blending. So I'm now going to bring it up to the camera for you to see a closer, to get a closer look at it, and to see how defined some of those colours are. And I'm looking forward to it drying as the Deco Art Glamour Dust in the ice crystal dries with a really pretty shimmer on it. So I'm going to put it down now and leave that to dry. If it's dry in time, I will add it to the end of the video to show you how it looks. That's it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Well, the picture is almost completely dry now, so I thought I would show it to you in the sunshine. Yes, I have got sunshine this morning, and it's so good to see. But look at how pretty that is. All the gold coming up nicely, and the colours have dried pretty much as vibrantly as they looked when they were wet. So I'm really pleased with that. It has come out very, very well.